Welcome to Old History of Pakistan. On this channel, we explore the deep, forgotten, and untold history of Pakistan's cities, civilizations, and cultures. Our goal is to take you back in time and explain how these cities were formed, who ruled them, how they evolved, and why they matter today. Today's documentary is about one of Pakistan's most ancient and historically powerful cities, Sahiwal. This is a complete long-form historical documentary designed for a 1-hour video. Before we begin, please like this video, share it with history lovers, subscribe to Old History of Pakistan, and comment below which city you want us to cover next. Now, let us travel back in time. Sahiwal before 1876, ancient roots. Long before modern Pakistan existed, the land of present-day Sahiwal was already one of the most important regions of South Asia. This area was not empty land, it was the heart of one of the world's earliest civilizations. Around 2600 BC, this region was home to Harappa, a major city of the Indus Valley civilization. Harappa lies only a few kilometers from modern Sahiwal. This makes Sahiwal one of the rare cities in the world whose history goes back more than 4,500 years. Harappa was a highly organized city with straight roads, drainage systems, brick houses, granaries, and trade networks that reached as far as Mesopotamia. The people of this region were skilled farmers, traders, and craftsmen. After the decline of the Indus Valley civilization around 1900 BC, the region did not disappear. It continued to be inhabited during the Vedic period, later under Buddhist influence, and then became part of various ancient kingdoms. Islamic period, from 8th century onwards. In the 8th century, Islam entered South Asia. Over time, Sahiwal's region came under Muslim rule through several empires. Ghaznavid Empire, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal Empire. During the Mughal era, this land was valued for its fertility. Agriculture expanded, canals were improved, and villages grew. Though Sahiwal was not a capital city at that time, it was an important rural and agricultural zone supporting the empire. Sahi clan and the origin of the name. The name Sahiwal comes from the Sahi clan, a Punjabi Muslim tribe that settled in this region centuries ago. The Sahis were known as landowners, farmers, and local leaders. This area became known as Sahi Diwal, meaning the land or settlement of the Sahi people. Over time, this evolved into the name Sahiwal. British arrival, before 1848. Before British rule, the region was part of the Sikh Empire under Maharaja Ranjit Singh. After his death, the Sikh Empire weakened. In 1848, the British defeated the Sikhs and took control of Punjab. This year, 1848, is extremely important in Sahiwal's modern history. 1848 to 1876, early British period. After taking control, the British recognized the agricultural importance of this region. They planned to transform it into a modern administrative and farming center. Canal systems were introduced. Land was allocated to farmers. Villages expanded rapidly. 1876, formation of Montgomery District. In 1876, the British officially established Montgomery District, named after Sir Robert Montgomery, a British colonial administrator. The city itself began to develop as Montgomery City. Railway lines were laid, connecting Montgomery to Lahore, Multan, and Karachi. This railway system changed everything. Markets were built. Government offices were established. Schools and hospitals were introduced. 1880s to 1900, growth of the city. Between 1880 and 1900, Montgomery became one of the most organized cities in central Punjab. Key developments included railway station expansion, canal colonies, agricultural research farms, cotton and wheat trade. This period laid the foundation of modern Sahiwal. 1901 to 1947, late colonial era. In the early 20th century, Montgomery was a major agricultural hub. British officers called it one of the most successful canal colony districts. Educational institutions were opened. Roads were improved. The city population increased steadily. During this time, political awareness also grew. The people of Montgomery actively participated in the Pakistan movement. 1947 – Partition and creation of Pakistan. The year 1947 changed everything. At partition, Montgomery experienced mass migration, refugee settlement, communal violence, economic disruption. Muslims migrated in, while non-Muslims moved out. Despite hardships, the city survived and adapted. 1967 – Name change to Sahiwal. In 1967, the government of Pakistan officially changed the city's name from Montgomery to Sahiwal, restoring its historical identity. This was a turning point, reclaiming cultural roots after colonial rule. 1970s to 1990s – Modern expansion. From 1970 onward, Sahiwal expanded rapidly. Major developments. Sahiwal cattle breed gained global recognition. Educational colleges and universities established. Industrial growth. Improved road networks. The Sahiwal cow became famous worldwide for milk production. 2000 to present, contemporary Sahiwal. In the 21st century, Sahiwal became a divisional headquarters, a center for education, a power generation hub, a key agricultural city. The Sahiwal Coal Power Project further increased its national importance. Cultural and historical importance. Sahiwal represents continuity, from Harappa to modern Pakistan. Few cities in the world can claim such an unbroken historical timeline. Conclusion. Sahiwal is not just a city. It is a living museum of human civilization. From ancient Harappa, to Mughal farms, to British railways, to modern Pakistan, Sahiwal has seen it all. Outro, call to action. Thank you for watching Old History of Pakistan. If you enjoyed this complete history of Sahiwal, like this video. Share it with history lovers. Subscribe to our channel. Comment and tell us which city's history you want next. Until next time, keep history alive.